What are you putting on your face? What are you putting on your face, honey?
Lip gloss.
How much lip gloss did you put on your face?
A lot. A lot of lip gloss.
Does it feel nice, Jay? Do you think you look nice now?
I don't think so. He doesn't look nice at all.
Tavani, do you like how the lip gloss looks now? What?
No.
You think you put enough on? What's it smell like?
Peach and peach.
Oh my goodness.
The peach and
I don't think you need any more, Giovanni. Giovanni, do you think you need more?